Good morning, everyone. We're going to be looking at a TikToker request. This gentleman wants to have an official second opinion. So let's begin. So this is the AP cervical X-ray. means A means anterior, P means posterior, cervical means neck. So when we start the diagnosis here, there is a possibility of maybe some mild cervical ribs right there. They're not very prominent, but there is a possibility that, especially on the left side, that they might have cervical ribs. And cervical ribs lead to something called thoracic outlet syndrome, and 90% of thoracic outlet syndrome patients have cervical ribs. So now we're going to look at his lateral cervical. Lateral means from the side, and cervical still means neck. So that's C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, and C7. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at C5 we see these little floaters right there. These are just called limbus bones. They're not fractures. They're kind of like pseudo fractures. Right here we do see a little bit of degenerative disc disease, and we are seeing some osteophyte formation right here in the mid-cervical area. This is the atlas C1. To me, it looks like a possible fusion of atlas to occiput right there, but this is not a very clear image, so I would recommend to this person who requested this to go get flexion extension views.